funeral. That's a nice little warning. I don't want to be at my own funeral no time soon. So we're gonna have a nice little clean, pleasant ride, safe ride, make it all the way to our destination. Gotta stay alive. I'm 28, so I'm doing good. Oh, I see traffic. That's all right. Let's go. International Female Ride Day! Let's go! All the females, all the biker chicks, all the lady bikers, I hope you out there riding with me. I can feel you if you're riding. It's our day to ride. That's what I'm doing. I'm out here riding. I got my nails done. So female-like. Oops, I gotta get over. And I'm riding. I'm riding. I'm going away. I'm going up to, I don't know which county, but I'm going to Pompano Beach. And I'm about to go get on a boat. So, hey, what better way to get there than a motorcycle? I'm about to be on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a motherfucking boat. I'm still in Miami right now. It's a lot of traffic. Everybody and their mamas down here. I think Lil Wayne, 2 Chainz, 6ix9ine, some other artists are here for a concert. So the city is litty tonight. The city is always litty. There's always something to do. But I'm going to take it out of the city and go on the boats. Let's go. Just got to get through this traffic. To have a good old day on the boat, get in the water. I'm not gonna drink too much. I really don't want to drink, so I'm gonna try not to drink. You know, once you get around it, once you get peer pressure, you be drinking. Definitely can't drink too much because I'm on my motorcycle. So everything good. Nice little area. It feels very beachy. Let's just take a moment to look at these houses. I am in Pompano Beach, I think. This is so beautiful. Oh, look at this hoe right here. Oh, we with a different dude. She's such a hoe. Oh my gosh. Oh, hey y'all. Right, okay. Oh, it was nice. It is. That's what I was looking at. That's why I was driving so slow.